needs new caulking around the base of the shower, there and there. And that's this stuff right here. This is color matching caulk, and when it dries, it almost dries like a grout. It's very hard and scratchy looking. I'll show you here. You feel it if you scratch it. You can see it's like a, see how it's cracked there? So we'll rejuvenate that. Just take that like that. And then you just want to follow around the whole tub. What I do when I come to a corner is I rip it so that it's on an angle away from where the corner would be. And this way, I can put that right into the corner, line my tape up with this tape here, and it goes right into the corner, just like that. See how it's ripped like that? It goes right into the corner, nice. And you do the same thing, you rip this one. You get the corners matched up. Get this lined up the way you want it. Like so. And you put this on. Even make sure that you're following either the same bead, or if you're doing it new, that you're leaving. So that's how big that'll be along there. So right here, it looks like it's a little too small. You can move it out. You want it to look consistent as it goes across there. You see how this white tub showing right there? Just go like this. Land this on the tape where it needs to be, and land that where it needs to be, just like that. Like, see this right here? Come here. Come here, look at this. You see how this one little piece of tape is right here? Can you see this? See how it's sticking by? If you leave that, it makes your grout that shape. So you can either try pulling it back a little bit, or take another piece of tape from here and go subtly past it. Or you can take the tape up a little bit and bring it into where the other tape is, and that will be a nice smooth transition from narrower to fatter based on what you're trying to cover there. The area that needs to be done. So that right there looks ugly. Just take that piece of scrap and put it on there from one side, spanning that, and it makes for a nice smooth transition. We got this corner here. See how that looks? You don't want your silicone to be triangular shaped like that. So you're gonna take a piece and you're gonna start at an angle. And you're gonna slowly form it until it becomes a little more rounded looking, like that. Really hard to see. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And now it looks like it just rounds like that. Alright, so this is kind of what you want it to look like. Did you get the other side done like that? That whole entire corner right there is done very well. You did a great job on that. And then we just need to do that side there. And then she's ready for silicone. And we make sure everything's stuck really good. And you want to fill that seam. I know I should be doing a neater job with this silicone, but I'm trying to prove a point to Kitana and to you people viewing at home. You don't have to be extremely neat with it if you use this method. Now don't click off the video and think, okay, he taught me, I'm ready to go, I'm going to recaulk my shower. There's a secret tip that's not mentioned yet in the video I have to show you at the end. It makes the job as professional as they come. Keep watching. You'll be able to do your shower when you're done watching this video, and you're going to get amazing, amazing results. And if by some rare chance you have a desire that you have to click on something, click the like button. It's right down there, right below the video. And then click the subscribe button and the little bell. And next time I upload one of these helpful videos that's going to help you out, YouTube's going to let you know about it. Now you want to smear it along there, up here. This is the stuff that has sand in it, so it's almost like a grout when you're done. All right, now you take the tape up. Now you're going to use glass cleaner. Foaming action, ammonia free. That's the important part, the ammonia free part. Spray it on there. Cover all of it. You don't ever dry it off. It dries itself. But you gotta run your finger around it one more time. That'll prevent it from sticking to the tile and the tub surface. And this will lay it down nice and smooth for you. Doesn't matter how much comes off on your fingers either. What's important is that you get it nice and smooth, following that curve. You might be tempted to wipe that foam off from the glass cleaner. I strongly recommend you do not do this. Let it air dry. It'll disappear without leaving any staining or any kind of watermarks or anything. And all you'll be left with is a perfect caulk joint.